Hey guys, how's it going? Brad Riley here. Welcome to another video. And in this one today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can land a client on day one of starting your social media marketing agency. Now, just before we jump into that, if you are new around here, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. And what I want you to do is comment down below this video right now and let me know, what is your biggest fear about starting a social media marketing agency? If you have any fears, let me know in the comment section down below. I respond to every single comment, every single question that I get on my videos. So if I can help you at all, I'll be more than happy to do so. So yeah, drop a comment down below this video. If you can drop a like as well, that'll be much appreciated. And let's get into it. Now, if you want to close a client on day one, you need to focus on outreach methods that have a short sales cycle. So what do I mean by a short sales cycle? Well, what I mean is the process of actually doing the outreach and closing the client needs to be short if you want to close a client today on your first day of starting your business. Now, if you look at something like a cold call or a cold email, where the business owner you're reaching out to has no idea who they are, they may or may not be interested in social media marketing services, there may be a gatekeeper in place. Generally, colder leads have a longer sales cycle. It takes more time to actually get to the close. Things such as freelance websites that I'm going to show you today actually have a much shorter sales cycle. So if you want to close a deal today, you need to focus on really, really warm leads. And there is no warmer leads out there than freelance websites. So as you can see here, I've got a few websites open. I've got Upwork, I have People Per Hour, I have Freelancer, Guru, and TopTal. These are the biggest handful of freelance websites on the marketplace today. And in my opinion, there's nothing bigger and better than Upwork. Upwork is without a doubt the most important and has the most potential out of everything when it comes to freelance websites. Now, just to give you an example here, I'm speaking about you closing a client day one. I've landed several clients within 24 hours of actually reaching out to them before. So many. My record timing is actually about 20 to 30 minutes. Just to give you a story to show you the power of this, I once reached out to a business on Upwork. Immediately, I got a response. I asked if they were free for a call. They told me they were. I hopped on a call. Within 15 minutes, I'd sent the invoice and it was settled and paid, and I had the money in my PayPal account. Now, this was only a small $500 a month social media management client, but nevertheless, it was still money in my bank within 20 or 30 minutes of actually doing the initial outreach. So my first thing I will say for you guys is you want to focus on these freelance websites if you have any chance of closing a client today. Now, the reason freelance websites are so powerful, as you probably know, is that it's businesses putting out there to the world, I'm looking for help with social media marketing. Who wants to help me? Okay, and people like you, people like me will reach out to these people and say, hey, I noticed you were looking for help with social media marketing. Let's hop on a call and let's have a chat about this in some more detail. It's an easier close because you know they're interested. And best of all, if you're committed to doing a lot of outreach in one day, then you can definitely close a deal. Even if not day one, especially day two, day three, within the first week of starting your agency. So we know now for a fact we want to focus on freelance websites. Let me quickly show you exactly how these work if you're not familiar with it. So here's Upwork, People Per Hour, Freelancer, Guru, and TopTal. Go and check all of them out. Create accounts on every single one of them. Create profiles. Brand yourself as a social media marketing expert. And again, get yourself put out there to begin with. Between all of these accounts, it's probably gonna take you an hour maximum to put that together. Then what I want you to do is start to search. Now, I'm just going to show you here on maybe one or two of these platforms because they all work the exact same. So if you're here on Upwork, you've got your freelancer account created, you want to search the keywords social media marketing. If you then scroll down, you're going to see, there's 11,500 jobs in the last 2 weeks added with this keyword. So if you start to scroll down here, you can see all of these different jobs here of different people looking for help with their social media marketing. Now, this may seem like a big number, but if you want to close a client today, you need to do a lot of outreach. If you want to close a client today, you need to hit 50 to 100 businesses outreach today. Simple. If you want to close a deal in the next 24 hours, you need to hit 50 to 100 businesses. Because what a lot of the time happens with freelance websites is They may take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days to actually respond to your initial message. So if you want the best chance of closing a deal, you need to do as much outreach as you possibly can and focus all of your energy on that day on the outreach. So we see these people are interested. Let's say we find a job here, social media marketing. We can click that. Again, speed is of the essence. We see that this is a business that's looking for help with social media marketing. You click submit proposal and you can actually go down, scroll down here and reach out to this business. Really, really simple, right? And you want to do this, scroll down here, pop your hourly rate in. You're not going to work hourly, obviously, but you need to have an hourly rate as a placeholder. So you could go ahead and pop in your hourly rate there. So I'll just put mine at $30 an hour. Okay, let me put mine at $30 an hour. You can pop a little message in there. Hey, I noticed you were looking for help with social media marketing. Just to introduce myself, my name is Brad Riley. I focus on helping businesses just like you get more clients using Facebook ads. Would love to hop on a call, share some ideas. Submit proposal. Boom, sent, done. And I want you to do that 50 to 100 times in a single day. Then what's going to happen is you're going to start to get some responses. And when you get those responses, I want you to immediately, not tomorrow, not the day after, you don't want to schedule a call in. You want to ask if they're available right now for a call. Are you available now for a call? Get them on a call and get that commitment. Bear in mind, this video isn't about how you can close a client long term. This is about how you can close a client on day one. Like if you're really eager to get started, you want to close a deal today and then figure the rest out, this is exactly how you do it. 50 to 100 leads, freelance websites, especially Upwork is the main priority, and hit as much outreach as you possibly can. Get a response, push for a call right there and then, and try and get that deal. Now, one more little ninja technique I'm going to show you here. This is really powerful. When you're searching the keyword, if you actually go ahead and search the word urgent after it as well, it's going to drastically drop down the amount of actual jobs found here. So now it's only 47, but let's have a look. This was 5 days ago, 5 hours ago. Our current and urgent requirement is increased audience base. $1,400 per month, 2 to 3 month commitment, urgent to get started. This was posted 5 hours ago. Less than 5 people have applied to the job. So they're looking for urgent help. They need to start ASAP. They're willing to pay you $1,400 a month. I mean, look, I haven't looked at this job before. That is just me searching, all right? This is real time. You click on this job, you reach out to them, get them on a call ASAP, tell them that you can get started immediately and close the deal. All right? If you're interested in closing a deal today, you need to put the work in. You need to focus all of your energy and effort into outreach. And hopefully, you can close your client on day one, or if not, especially day 2, day 3, which would still be an absolutely fantastic result. And not just with Upwork, the same works here. On people per hour, you search your keyword, you scroll down, you apply to the jobs. Same works on Freelancer and Guru and TopTal and Fiverr and all the other freelance websites that are actually out there on the marketplace. So I hope you guys found a bunch of value in this video today. Again, if you have any questions for me, go ahead and drop them in the comments section down below and I'll definitely get back to you. Also, if you guys are interested in having me personally mentor you every single day for the fraction of the cost of any high-ticket coaching program or high-ticket course, I want to invite you to check out the top link in the description for the Entrepreneur Accelerator mentorship group that I recently put together. Not only do you get full access to me every single day to personally ask me questions, you get weekly live calls, weekly trainings, daily value posts, networking opportunities. I'm going to be doing some free events this year as well. And to top it all off, it's only $30 per month. No crazy 12-month commitment. It's just month to month and you can join at any point. Okay, so check out that top link, see what's included because I'd love to mentor you personally every single day. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day and I'll see you guys in the next one.